Hello, I am Megan Foster. They often say, a person is only as old as their blood vessels. Time waits for no one, especially our health. After age 50, your blood vessels are no longer as soft as silk. Instead, they begin to harden like old, rusty, and clogged water pipes inside. But I have good news for you. The secret to reviving those vessels isn't far away. In fact, it is hidden deep right under the ground. Today, we will uncover a simple natural drink that can help stabilize your blood pressure and add years of healthy vitality to your precious life. Do you often feel tired or dizzy during your morning walks? These are silent signals from your cardiovascular system that it needs urgent and proper care. Ignoring these signs can lead to serious consequences. However, understanding the biology of your body is the first step toward a much healthier future. Remember this crucial rule. Your biological age is equal to the age of your vessels. To stay young, we must keep our blood flowing perfectly. Let us dive into the science of revival. We are looking for a forgotten key that can unlock a new level of energy for you. Have you ever heard of nitric oxide? In 1998, the Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded for discovering its vital role in our cardiovascular health. Nitric oxide acts as a signaling molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and dilate. This allows oxygen-rich blood to reach every single cell. At age 20, your body is a factory of nitric oxide. But as we cross the threshold of 50, production drops by nearly 50%. This drastic decline is why blood pressure begins to rise. When vessels can't relax, the heart has to pump much harder, leading to dangerous strain. Without enough nitric oxide, the risk of stroke and heart attack increases. Your vessels become brittle and prone to blockages that stop blood flow. The solution isn't just medicine. We need to reload our bodies with natural nitrates from food, which our system then converts into life-saving nitric oxide. This discovery changed medicine forever. It proved that we have the power to influence our vascular health through what we choose to put on our plates. I want you to understand that your body wants to heal. It just needs the right building blocks to start the process of vascular restoration. When you consume nitrate-rich foods, a unique process begins in your mouth and stomach, turning simple plants into a powerful medicine for your heart. So, where do we find these miraculous nitrates? The answer lies in the deep, dark colors of the vegetables growing right beneath the soil's surface. Beetroot is the world's most powerful natural nitrate factory. Its deep red color is a sign of the potent medicine contained within its skin. This humble root contains a concentrated dose of dietary nitrates that have been scientifically proven to lower blood pressure within just a few hours. Beyond nitrates, beets are packed with anthocyanins. These are incredibly strong antioxidants that protect your vessel walls from the damaging effects of oxidative stress. Think of them as a cleaning crew. They sweep away the rust from your arteries, making the walls supple, flexible, and strong once again. When you drink beetroot juice, you are essentially giving your cardiovascular system a refreshing bath, flushing out toxins and improving the overall blood flow. But beets aren't alone. White radishes and carrots are also excellent sources of these vital compounds, working together to support your long-term heart health. By combining these treasures from the earth, we create a synergistic effect that maximizes the production of nitric oxide throughout your entire body. For those over 50, this isn't just food, it is a strategy for longevity. It is about taking control of your health using nature's wisdom. Imagine a drink that works while you rest, softening your arteries and ensuring that every heartbeat is efficient and effortless for your body. This revival water targets the very foundation of your health. When the vessels are healthy, the whole body can finally begin to thrive. The benefits don't stop at the heart. Better blood flow means more oxygen is delivered to your brain, which is vital for mental clarity. When your vessels dilate, your brain receives a surge of nutrients. It is like watering a plant that has been slowly wilting for years. You will notice that you become less forgetful. Your mind feels sharper, and that brain fog many seniors complain about begins to lift away. Mental sharpness is a gift of good circulation. By protecting your vessels, you are also protecting your memories and your ability to stay engaged. Many people also report sleeping much deeper. When the body isn't struggling with high blood pressure, the nervous system can finally relax into true rest. You will also find your legs feel lighter. Morning walks become a joy rather than a chore because your muscles are getting the oxygen they crave. This is what we call revival from within. It is a total body transformation that starts with a simple habit every single morning. I have seen patients transform their lives by simply adding this natural juice to their daily routine. The results are often truly remarkable and inspiring. It is nature's most vibrant medicine. Every sip is a message of love to your heart and a promise of health to your future. A steady heart leads to a long life. Let us ensure your heart beats with the rhythm of health for many more decades to come. Now, let me share the golden recipe with you. You will need 1 small beetroot, half an apple for sweetness, and a slice of ginger. Ginger is essential because it aids digestion and adds a warming effect that helps stimulate the circulation even further throughout your entire body. I recommend using a slow juicer to preserve all the delicate enzymes and nutrients. This ensures you get the maximum benefit from every drop. Watch that beautiful color. That is the liquid gold your vessels have been waiting for. It is packed with the nitrates we discussed earlier. Start with just 100 milliliters a day. Give your body time to adjust to this powerful influx of nutrients. Consistency is much more important than quantity. The best time to drink this is in the morning, on an empty stomach if possible, to allow for the fastest absorption into your bloodstream. However, there are a few important notes. If you have a history of kidney stones, please consult your doctor before starting this routine today. Beetroot is naturally high in oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation in sensitive individuals. Safety and balance are always our top priorities. And don't be alarmed if your urine turns slightly pink. It is just the natural pigments of the beet, and it is completely harmless to you. The taste is earthy, sweet, and zesty. It is a refreshing way to start your day and a powerful ritual for your long-term health. As it enters your system, the conversion to nitric oxide begins almost immediately, starting the process of whitening your blood vessels for better flow. You don't need expensive supplements when nature provides everything you need in such a simple, beautiful, and affordable form right in your kitchen. The apple adds pectin and vitamin C, which further support the health of the vessel lining and make the drink taste absolutely delicious. Making this juice takes only 5 minutes, but the benefits can last a lifetime. It is an investment in yourself that pays off daily. Try it for 2 weeks and listen to your body. You will feel the difference in your energy levels and your overall sense of well-being. Health is not a single destination. It is a continuous journey of small, daily choices that add up to a vibrant and long life. A single glass of this revival water is a simple way to show your blood vessels and your heart that you truly care. I want you to be able to enjoy every moment with your loved ones, with a mind that is clear and a body that is strong. May you always find peace, clarity, and the strength to live your life to the fullest. You deserve a healthy, happy, and long future. Please take care of your vessels. They are the rivers of life within you. When they flow freely, you feel truly alive and energetic. I am Megan Foster. It has been a pleasure sharing this secret from the ground with you today. I hope it changes your life. I look forward to seeing you in our next sharing session. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep flourishing every single day. Remember, the power to heal is often right under our feet. Thank you for watching, and take that first step toward health today. Every new day is an opportunity to nourish yourself. Let nature be your guide on this wonderful path to a healthier cardiovascular system. Age is just a number when your heart is strong. Keep moving, keep drinking your greens and reds, and keep smiling through the years. The earth provides us with everything we need. We just have to listen and take the time to prepare these gifts with gratitude. Balance your life with good food, moderate exercise, and peace of mind. That is the true recipe for a long and fulfilled life. Your health is your greatest wealth. Never forget to invest in it, even if it's just 5 minutes in your kitchen every morning. You have the knowledge now. All that is left is for you to take action. Start your journey of vascular revival right now. Like a clear river, let your blood flow without obstacles. Let it carry life and energy to every corner of your wonderful being. I will be here to guide you further. Goodbye for now, and may your heart always be light and your vessels always soft. Your heart is the engine of your life. Treat it with the respect and the nutrition it deserves every single day you live. Share this secret with your friends and family. Let us create a community of healthy, vibrant, and energetic people who love their lives. Small changes create big ripples. Your one glass today can lead to a much healthier version of yourself in the months to come. Signed with care and commitment to your health, I am here to support you on every step of this wonderful life journey. Wake up every morning with a purpose. Let your first purpose be to nourish the vessels that keep you alive and thriving. Don't forget to stay tuned for more health secrets. I am Megan Foster, wishing you a life full of health, joy, and longevity.